Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will see 50 basic level percentage questions. Question number first. What is 20% of 250? Okay, basic method is 20 by 100 into 250. Okay, 0 0 0 0 get cancelled. 25 into 2 50. Next method is, see, percentage means 20. Percentage 20 get cancelled. Left with 2 into 25. Again it is 50. Next method is 250 into 20% is 1 by 5. 20% fraction value is 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Again it is 50. Next 35% of 400. Again percentage of 20 get cancelled. Left with 35 into 4. What is the answer? It is 4 into 5 20. It is 140. Okay, 140 is the answer. Next, what percentage of it is? 8 is 20. 20 by 80 into 100. It is 25%. Next, 15 is what percent of 75? 15 by 75 into 100. Again it is 15. 5 times it is 20%. Next, increase 200 by 10%. Okay, now first calculate what is 200. 10% value, 10 by 100. It is 0 0 0 0. It is 20. Okay, 10% value is 20. It means 200 plus 20. 2 into 10 20. It is total is 220. 220 is the answer. Next method, how to solve? See, it is 200. What is 10% value is 1 by 10. It means 10 is becoming plus 1 means 11. Again it is same answer. Next to calculate. See, it is 5 into 200. 100. 500 minus 100, 400. 400 is the answer. First calculate 20% of 500. 20% of 500 is 100. You want to decrease means 500 minus 100. It is 400. Next 12.5% of 160. We know 12.5% equals to fraction value 1 by 8. Okay, very important. 160 divided by 8. It is how much? 20%. Next, what percentage of 300 is 90? It is 90 by 300. It is 30%. Next number is increase from 80 to 100. Percentage increase. See, 80 is becoming 100. First see the gap. How much gap? 20. From where it is increasing? From here into 100. Again it is 25%. Next, if a number decrease, it is decrease. 120 is becoming 90. Decrease is 30. From where? 120 into 100. Again it is 25%. Next, 480. What is the fraction value of 25%? It is 1 by 4. Very important. 480 divided by 4. It is become 120. 120 is the answer. What is the basic method? 25 by 100 into 480. If you solve, you will get same answer. Next, 40 is what percent of 160? 40 by 160 into 100. Again it is 100 by 4. That is 25%. Next, 75% of 84. See, basic method is 75 by 100 into 84. Is the basic method. In shortcut, how to do? 75% value is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into 84. It is 1. It is 2. It is 63. 63 is the answer. Again see here, percentage 2 get cancelled. 15 into 6. It is 90. Next, again basic method is 5 by 100 into 720. It is a basic method. In shortcut, how to calculate? 720 into what is the 5% fraction value is 1 by 20. 1 by 20. 0 0. It is 36. Next, If the price of item rise from 500 to 600, percentage increase. Again simple, 500 becoming 600. I can cancel 2 0 0 0 0 0. Now ratio is 5:6. 5 is becoming 6. Means increase is 1%. From where? From 5. It is 20%. Same question, but it is decrease. See again, 1 2 1 2 2 0 cancel, 70 into 22. Okay, now okay, it is the 10 into 8, 10 times 8, 9 times 10 ratio 9. Okay, see now percentage decrease. How much it is decreasing? 1 from where? 10 into 100. Again it is 10% decrease. Next 18%, 18 by 100 into 450, 0 0 5 9 5 2 5 9. It is again 81. 81 is the answer. Next, what percent of 250 75? 75 by 250 into 100. This is the answer. Next, 125%. See, 125 divided by 100. It is 96. 25 4, 25 5, 4 2 times, 4 4 times. It is 0. It is 120. 120 is the answer. Next, a number is increased by 20% and becomes 360. What is the original number? See, original number is always 100%. Okay, it means 360 increase means 100 is becoming 20% more, means it is 120. You want original number, that is 100%. It is 3 times, it is 300. 300 is the answer. Next to same, but it is decrease. See here, 150 is 100 minus 25. It is 75 into 100. Okay, it is 20%. It means 200. 200 is the answer. Next one, very important one, successive increase. See, formula A plus B plus A into B divided by 100, where A is equals to 10, B equals to 20. It is increasing, means plus 10 plus 20 plus 10 into 20 by 100. See, it is 30 plus 0 0 0 0 2. It is 32. 32 is the answer. Next one, same, but it is discount. Discount means minus. See, minus 10 minus 20, minus into minus plus, plus 10 into 20 divided by 100. It is minus 30 plus 2. It is 28. Next one, a student score 180 out of 240. Okay, 180 out of 240. 180 out of 240. 240 into 100. Percent is always 100%. Okay, it is 0 0 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 75%. Next, 62.5%. See, 1 by 8 equals to 12.5%. It is 62 means into 5 times. It becomes 5 by 8 into 320. 8 into 4, 5 into 4, 200. 200 is the answer. What is the basic method? 62.5% divided by 100 into 320. Okay, if we solve, we will get same answer. Next, the population increase from 20,000 to 24,000. Again here 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, I can cancel 3 0. Okay, it becomes easy for calculation. Now it is left with 20. 20 is becoming 24. Again 5 times 6 times, 4 into 5 times, 4 into 6 times. 5 is becoming 6. It becomes 1 from where? From 5. Again it is 20%. Next, 45% of a number is 225. The number is always 100%. See, basic is 45 by 100 into a number is means A. This is equals to 225. It is 5 times. 500 is the answer. What is the shortcut? See, 225 is 45% value. We want a number is always 100%. Again it is 5 times. 500 is the answer. Next one, it is 96 divided by 640 into 100. Okay, this is the answer. See, next important one, shopkeeper gained 25% on a product sold for 1000. What is the cost price? See, this is 1000. Cost price is always 100%. Okay, the gain is 25%, means 100 plus 25, it is 125% value. We want 100% value. It is 25, 5 times 25, 4 times 5 into 2, 2 into 4, it is 800. Next one, it is say 1 by 6 equals to 16, 2 by 3%. It means 300 divided by 6, it is 50%. 50% is the answer. Next one, again 1 by 8 equals to 12.5%. It is 3 times, it means 3 by 8 into 480. 3 by 8 into 480. 8 into 6, it is 180. 180 is the answer. Next one, again same, 45 by 150 into 100. It is 300%. Sorry, 30%. Next one, net change. Again A plus B plus A into B divided by 100. See, increase means 50%, decrease means minus 20. Again it is minus 50 into 20 divided by 100. See, it is 30 minus 10. Okay, it is 20%. See, this is a very important one. A number is increasing by same percent, means same percent increase to same percent decrease, then net change equals to, it is always loss. Okay, loss square divided by 100. It means 20 into 20 divided by 100 with minus sign, 0 0 0 0, minus 4% decrease. Next one, price and consumption. See, price and consumption inversely proportional to each other. Price is becoming 50%, 25% more, means 4 is becoming 5. 25% fractional is 1 by 4. 4 is becoming 5. Consumption is reverse, 5 is to 4. Okay. Now, what is the answer? Consumption should be decreased by decreasing 1. From where it is decreasing? 5. It is 20%. Next, important one, candidate score 36%, failed by 24 marks, passing marks 40%. See here, 36%, fail by 24 marks. It means if you add 24, you will become pass. This pass marks equals to 40%. Okay. Now 40 minus 36. What is 40 minus 36? 4%. 4% equals to this 24. What is 1%? 1% is 6. Maximum marks is always 100%. It means 100 into 6. It is 600. 600 is the maximum marks. Option C. This is the answer. Next one, 72 is 20% less. See, 72 is 20% less, means it is 100 minus 20. 100 minus 20, it is 80% value. We want 100% value. It is 9. Okay, 90. Next one, 96 is 20% more than. See, it is 96 more, means it is 120 into 100. It is 8 is the answer. Next one, A number 25% more than B, then B is how much less than A? See here, A is to B, 25% means 1 by 4, means if B is 4, A is 1 more, that is 5. Okay, now then B is how much less? How much less is 1 less from 5? It is 20%. 1 by 5 means 20%. In basic method is A is to B. B is 25% more is if A is 100%, B is 25. Again it is, if you calculate by 25 5 times to 25 4 times. Again same answer, 20%. Next, again same, apply the same formula, A plus B plus A into B divided by 100. Decrease means minus 10, it is plus 20, minus 10 into 20 divided by 100, it is plus 10 minus 2. What is 10 minus 2? It is 8%. Next, 0 percentage of 2 0 get cancelled. 22.5 into 8. 22.5 into 8. Okay, I can write 22.5 as 45 by 2. 45 by 2 equals to same, 22.5 into 8. Now it becomes easy to calculate. It is 4 times. It is 180. 180 is the answer. Next, a number exceeds by another by 25%. Again same is the same. Okay, try this. 30% is, see, this is very simple. 30% is given 150, we want 60%. Just observe, 30% is 150, 60% is question mark. See, it is just double. 30 is big. If 30% is becoming 60, it means 150 will become double, that is 300. 300 is the answer. Next, in a class 60% are boys. If boys are 180, then total students is always 100%. It is 180 divided by 60. It is 300. 300 is the answer. 300 is your total strength. In that 180 are boys. Then what is the girl numbers? 120. 120 are girls. Next, a product marked at 2000 sold at 10% is what is selling price. Selling price is 100 minus this discount. This equals to selling price. It means 2000 into 90%. It is 0000. It is 1800. 1800. See once again, 2000. It is discount is 10%. Discount is 10%. Okay, we want selling price. Selling price is 100 minus 9. 100 minus 10. It is 90 divided by 100. It is same, 1800. See another method how to solve this. First calculate 10% discount. See, it is 2000. What is 10% discount? 10% discount is how much? 0000. It is 200. Okay, 10% discount is getting 200. To calculate selling price, mark price minus discount. What is mark price minus discount? It is 2000 minus 200. Again it is 1800. Okay, this is the basic method. Next, again same. 64 is 8% value. We want 100% value. It is 800. Next, what percentage of 120 by 50? Same, 50 by 125 into 100. It is 5 times, it is 4 times, it is 10 times. It is 40%. Next, a value becomes 144 after 20%. What is the original value? Original value is always 100%. Okay, it is 144. increase. Okay, after 20% increase means 100 plus 20, it is 120% value. We want 100% value. Okay, it is 0 0, it is 1 times 2 times. Okay, it is 120. 120 is the original value.